Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out the secrets of forex trading. If you want to be successful in trading all these assets, then you need to watch this video to the end so that you will understand how it works and how you can go with it. This will help you to maximize your trading activities, and of course you will be able to make more profit on daily basis. This has actually helped me to make thousands of dollars within the last few weeks. Okay, so just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, feel free to drop your questions down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like you guys have known, we have different chart patterns. We have the support and resistance zones. We have the trend, that is the uptrend, the downtrend. We have the ranging market, and all these are there for us to decide which asset, which direction we should go for. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, but there is one thing that we all should also know. Okay, and this also cuts across all the assets on the platform. Either you are trading currency pairs, you are trading synthetic indices, you are trading crypto, or any one of them, you should also know this. And it also works on all the time frame. Okay, so let's go straight into it right now. Okay, so I'm going to be using this trading tool because it always makes it easy for us to see what is happening in the market without stressing ourselves. Okay, so quickly, I want you guys to know that if an asset, okay, I'm just using this as an example, if it gets to the support zone like this, and of course it has been selling for a while, got to the support zone, was unable to break out from there, went up and came down, you should know that this is forming W, like I said, chart formation. Okay, then you should know that it will buy. Okay, so this is what I want you to understand. If it sells throughout yesterday and gets to the support zone, immediately it's unable to break out from the support zone, you should be waiting for it to buy, because um it has oversold itself already, and of course you should be waiting for it to buy at the support zone. Okay, so immediately you get this formation, then you should start buying. You can see it bought all through. So if it's happen, if these buying activities happen throughout today, definitely we should be expecting a sell, more of a sell tomorrow, most especially if it does not break out above this resistance zone. You can see it sold, okay, after selling till it got to this region, then definitely you should target a buy and later on a sell. This is very important, and I'm going to explain this to you. Okay, so most especially on lower time frame, if it is going on a certain direction, it might not be on daily basis. Okay, if it is going on a certain direction and you don't want to trade that direction, for instance, this is boom 500, you don't want to trade this spiky part. Okay, and it has gotten to this support zone and it is spiking, then you should allow it to spike throughout that day. Okay, wait for it to get to the resistance zone. Immediately it get to that resistance zone, check it out if it's going to break out above it or not. If it is not breaking out above it, then you should know that it will be the right time for you to sell. Okay, and you can see we got our sell signal around there, and it's sold till it got to this region. Okay, I usually do this a lot. Okay, I will just monitor the activities, most especially on volatility 75. I usually do it a lot on volatility 75. If I get a buy signal around there, I will buy throughout to the end of the trend. Then this is 5 minute time frame. If I'm able to do this throughout today and I notice that it has gotten to the resistance zone, what I will do is I will be planning for a sell signal tomorrow, okay, because I know that it is already at this resistance zone, so I will just be monitoring it just to make sure it is not going to break out above this resistance zone. If I'm able to confirm that it's not going to break out above the resistance zone, and I've gotten my downtrend signal already and my sell signal, then I will go into it tomorrow and sell again. You can see it sold till it got to and even broke out from the last support zone, you can imagine. So it gave us a lot of selling activities, okay. So this has given us a lot, okay. So right now what I will be waiting for is a buy signal, okay, because I want it to get to a reasonable support zone where it will not be able to break out from, and of course go in for a buy signal. That is what I will be waiting for at the moment, okay. So that is why you need to plan your trade. The markets usually move in one direction more than the other direction, okay. So if you follow that pattern, okay, if it is going up, you go up with it, and once it gets to the resistance, it can take the whole of today to go up on 5-minute time frame, and of course once it gets to that end, then you can now study it to see if it will break out above it, because if it breaks out above it, then definitely to keep on going up. But if it does not, then definitely you should know that it is time for you to go down with it, that is to sell the assets. Then you start selling right from there. This is a unique secret that most of us don't usually take note of. That is why it is called the trend, okay. So once you understand this, then you will always be in profit all the time, and that is why all these, I mean the trend move, I mean the movement of the trend will work well when you have a good trading tool like this, and of course it will also work well with the chart formation. You can imagine this asset getting to this resistance zone and it is giving us M shape, then definitely we should know that it's not going to break up above the resistance zone, then it will sell right from there, and this makes it easy for us to go into it and sell for a very long time. It is as easy as that. We just need to understand how it works, and we will be able to milk the markets with this. So guys, I want you to go out there and try this out throughout this week and see if it works for you, okay. You can come back to the comment section and let us know your personal experience on this, most especially for those of you having this custom made indicator, okay. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.